like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, welcome back to another today. Well, first of all, if you saw last video, I got a new intro, and it's not really special, but today is going to be a reaction. So I'm going to be reacting to Kids Fails and Motorcycles 2017. The other one was 2018. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, just go.
Go. Press on that. Don't go too fast. I can't balance.
Just go.
Oh yeah, I saw this one in 2018.
Got lap traffic here. Lap traffic. That lap traffic always screws things up.
Oh, it's not neutral, Austin. Shift it down a gear. You look like James Stewart right there, number 7. He did that in Daytona one time.
You don't get it.
Is that it? Oh, is that? Okay, I'm kidding here. Oh, he has training wheels on there. I mean, you know, little kids have that. How could they go wrong? Oh.
Oh no!
I was about to say, how could this go wrong? He has training wheels, but.
Are you alright?
What are you doing?
Okay, that is way too small for you, baby.
Can you answer me?
What
are you doing?
What am I doing?
What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, and there he goes. It's smoking. Oh, dude. Oh, no. Oh, I thought he was actually about to ride into the fence or whatever you call it. Oh, he's not fine.
Step, let go. You okay?
See, how do people make them? They look cool. Oh, is it? Don't let me so crash into a car. Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright, and for some reason I've tried to make a video about it. You can't get past like 10 minutes. So let's just start. Oh my god.
Little bit gas on. Little bit gas on.
You're doing good on the clutch, just like that, nice and slow. It'll start to go pretty soon. There you go. Easy, 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 easy. Oh my god.
Sitting on shift.
Christine.
I'll be like I was saying, if it like in the
we're gonna fly home.
I'll just
Start by.
you know, I'll just make this part 1. 'Cause I tried to
Come on, Laura.
do a video on
Taking you so long.
You want here? I'll have to check that out next. But I tried to watch it. But I said the story was short 5 minutes. Oh, really? No, that was awesome. Oh, is he? Okay, what's he? Oh, yeah, he's a lot. He's on the side. Oh, see, a lot of people do that, right? Like, big people get on small stuff. That's not gonna get. No, it's gonna jump the code. Oh. I love the red. Like, red's the really good color for bites. I'm just gonna get that. Does he like put a car?
Tinggi katan un carro.
Oh my god. Okay. Welcome to the
Begitu menyeras.
enjoyed that video. Like I was saying, I'll check out 2018. See, this is 2017, and there's a 2018 right here. I've already watched it because I tried to do a video on it, but you know it wouldn't let me because of storage. But I'm gonna go ahead and post this, and then probably tomorrow I'll check out Kids Fails on Motorcycles 2018. So, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll make sure to get more videos out by tomorrow. Because obviously tomorrow I have time to make some videos. Yeah, so that'll conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.